Here's my Christmas gift to you. Click the link in the description to gain access to the free interactive tab of this arrangement of White Christmas for standard, low G and baritone ukulele. Merry Christmas, have a safe holiday.
Thanks so much for hanging out with me all the way to the end of the video. Gold star for you. Please do me the favour of giving this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Leave me a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and do that. Of course, if you would like to become a patron, head on over to patreon.com/ukemullin, which is where you can find the tab for this lesson. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you in the next one.
The swirl in the sun,
swirl in the sun,
and the swirl in the sky,
swirl in the sky,
and the smile on the face,
smile